Do you get it? If yes, say it in the chart, the private chat. Yeah. Okay. So we go through another. So we're gonna go fast today because we only have 1 hour left. So I'm in the be rush to solve all the exercise because we have 25 exercise and now we are on 11 question. So yeah. Can anyone here read for me? Does anyone volunteer to read? Okay, but T, can you read the question?
Boris wants to write all 5-digit number using all digit 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. The number are such that even digit are in increasing order from left to right. For example, 3, 2, 1, 4, 5, and 2, 5, 3, 4, 1. How many numbers can Boris write?
Okay, thank you, T. Okay, so I'll give you 2 minutes to solve the exercise. So in here, there's a thing that we need to understand, which means that even digit are increasing order from left to right, which is like this. So the key is 2 is always before 4. Yeah, so you need to find the number of it. Okay, guys, so that's 2 minutes. So I'm gonna solve this exercise for you. Okay, does anyone here know the factorial? Can you raise your hand if you do know? Okay, so yeah, thanks. There's someone who know factorial. You're so smart. Yeah. So yeah, let's go through this. So in order to do the factorial things, we need to understand how can we use factorial. In order to use factorial, we use it for arranging something for arrangement. Because example, if you have 1, 2, 3, we're gonna have 3 factorial if there's no restriction. Because we can form it as which mean factorial, it mean 3 times 2 times 1. Like if 4 factorial is equal to 4 times 3 times 2 and times 1. So yeah, in here we have 3 number. So it is equal to 3 factorial, which means we can arrange it in 6 way. Okay, guys, so yeah, in here, there's something that we need to understand. So we have 5 number, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, right? So yeah, it's easy to arrange this because we have 5 number without restriction. We can do the 5 factorial. Yeah, but there's a restriction because 2 need to be in front of 4, which if 2 here, it's 4 here, and 3, 1, 5. If 2 here, 4 can be here, be here, be here, be here, whatever. But if 2 here and 1 here, 4 can be here, here, here. So it can only be after number 2 because the trick in the problem told us to do that. So yeah, we need to follow the instruction. Okay, but actually at first we need to solve it by doing the 5 factorial. So 5 factorial is equal to 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. And we get, what do we get? This is 6, this is 20, and then we have 120. Okay, so 120. So in case that 2 is in front of 4, so we can have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, something like that, and 1, 2, 4, 3, 5, something like that. Okay, so in case that 2 is in front of 4, it's equal to the case that 4 also in front of 2, right? We need to understand example if we have 1, 2, 4 here. So we can do 1, 2, 1, 2, 4, 2, 1, 4. What else? And okay, let's arrange it all. 1, 1, 2, 4, 1, 4, 2, 2, 1, 4, 2, 4, 1, and what else? 4, 1, 2, and 4, 2, 1. So yeah, in here there's one case that is 4 in front of 2, and another case, and another case, another case. Am I right? No, this is, so yeah, in 3 numbers, there's 4 in front of 2 for 3 cases, and 2 in front of 4, also 3. So what do we get here? So there's when we have 3 number to arrange, there's 3 that is 3 cases that 4 is in front of 2. So which means it's half and half. So as we can see here, the thing is we can do the 5 factorial divided by 2. Do you get it? Do you guys get it? This is the example that we can see. It's a small arrangement. Okay, so what if we have 2 and 4, and we need 2 in front of 4? So we have to do 2 factorial, which is 2, and then 2, if we do it in real number, we have 2, 4, and 4, 2. So the case that we need is 2, 4, which is 2 in front of 4. Am I right? So yeah, in here, the case that we do 1, we need to do 2 divided by 2, which is 1 case. Okay, so it is the same. When we test 2 factorial in arrange 2 and arrange 3, we just do the 3 factorial and divided by 2, which means 6 divided by 2, and we got 3 as cases that we won. So in here, it is the same. So 5 factorial over 2, which means 120 over 2, which is 60. The answer is C. Do you guys get it?
Yeah.
Okay, guys, if you have any question, you can ask me 6 until 601. Okay អញ្ចឹងខ្ញុំសូម explain in ខ្មែរគឺអញ្ចឹងដំបូងគឺយើងមាន5លេខដើម្បី ដើម្បី arrange មានន័យថាដើម្បីរៀបអញ្ចឹងមានន័យថានៅពេលដែលយើងមាន 3 លេខគឺយើងអាចប្រើ3 factorial ដើម្បីជា arrangement របស់យើងបានមានន័យថាការរៀបចំជាលេខផ្សេងគ្នាចំនួន6 ដងគឺយើងប្រើ3 factorial ឬ3 factorial អញ្ចឹងឧទាហរណ៍បើសិនជាយើងមានលេខ1និងលេខ2អញ្ចឹងដើម្បីរៀបលេខនឹងបានគ្រប់សពបានគឺយើងមាន1 2និង2 1ដែលវាស្មើនឹង2 factorial អញ្ចឹងបើយើងមាន1 2 3អញ្ចឹងយើងបាន3 factorial អញ្ចឹងខ្ញុំនឹងធ្វើអ្នកទាំងអស់គ្នាមើលក្នុងលេខពិតប្រាកដ1 2 3 1 3 2 2 1 3 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 2 1 so yeah វាដូចដែលយើងបានអញ្ចឹងគឺយើងបានចំនួន6ករណីហ្នឹងហើយអញ្ចឹងyeah អញ្ចឹងដើម្បីយើងរកលេខដែលលេខ2នៅខាងមុខលេខ4ដែលយើងចង់បានដូចជាចម្លើយដែលគេដែល Boris can write so យើង just divide by 2 the 5 factorial just divided by 2 and then we get an answer យល់ទេអ្នកទាំងអស់គ្នា Okay, so there's no question. So we go through 12. Question 12. Okay, so can anyone volunteer to read our question? Panya, can you read the question?
In quadrilateral ABCD, M and N are midpoints of sides AB and DC, respectively. The segments AN, BN, DM, and CM divide the quadrilateral into 7 parts: S1, S2, S3, S4, S5, S6, and S7 of different areas. Which of the following relationships involving the areas is true?
Oh yeah, thank you. So yeah, we need to find the answer in choice, which one is correct. So yeah, I'll give you 1 minute to solve this exercise. Yeah. So 6 and 5, I'm gonna solve it for you guys. Okay, so that's 2 minutes. Okay, in here, guys, do you see something that we can use to solve the exercise? So we can draw this line and this line, and it is a right angle. So we can draw a height of this too. Okay, sorry. Okay, let's assume that's as a height. Okay, so this we gonna do it as HA and this is HB. Okay, so yeah, in here, as we can see, the area of a triangle let's say area of triangle, the formula of it is equal to what? 1/2 time base time height. Okay, so in here we have the height as A. So area of ADN, it's equal to 1/2 time base. What is the base of it? The base of it is DN, and the height of it is HA that we let it be. So the area of B and C is equal to 1/2 times CN times HB. That's what we let it be earlier. So what do we do next? We gonna find the area of MDC, 1/2 times. Okay, so yeah, in here we have DC. So but what is the height of MH? The height of NH, as we can see here, this height, it's going through like this, which is all go through the same line, which means the height of MN, so height of NN, it's equal to height A plus height B divided by 2. Do you guys understand this? If you don't, you can ask me any question. Don't feel shy in this training class because I'm not gonna eat you. Okay, so I assume that there's no question here. So yeah, we're going through. So yeah, we have 1/2 times dn times HA plus HB over 2. Okay. So as we can see here, what is the value of dn? Oh, DC. My bad. I write wrong. DC. So DC, what is the value of DC? DC is dn plus nc. What does it mean? So nc, as we can see, dn and nc, it's the same length of each other. So what is the value of it? 1/2 times 1/2 times 2, let's say cn times HA plus HB is equal to 1/2 times cn times HA plus HB. Okay, guys, so do you understand in here? Okay, as I told you earlier, dn and nc is the same length, so we can write 1/2 times cn times HA. How does? Oh, okay. So, do you hear me? Do you hear my voice clear? Guys, please unmute and tell me.
Yep.
Yeah.
Is my voice clear or not?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes. Okay. So yeah, as we can have HMN equal to 1 times HA times HB. Okay, so in here we have the same length of it. So as we can see, it's going through this way. So this line is longer and this line is a bit shorter. So we can assume that this line is let's say A, B, and C. So we can assume that A plus C over 2 equal to B. Do you get it? Panya, do you get it? Feel free to unmute and tell me. Don't be shy.
Yes.
Are you guys shy in this group, in this Zoom training? Does anyone are you guys shy? Okay, so if no response, so let's go through. Yeah. So in here we have, what do we have? Panya, do you understand it?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, so we can go through. So we can plus the area of ADN plus the area of B and C. What do we have here? 1 over 2 plus CN times HB plus the area of B and C. So I already write the B and C, so I'm gonna write A and D because we can just write whatever first. It's all okay. Okay, so in here we have 1 over 2 times Cn times HB plus HA. So as I already explained in first week, AB plus B is equal to BA plus 1, something like that. Or you can write it as C, so it's C here. So as we can see in here, the area of MDC and the area of ADN plus the area of B and C is the same, exactly the same. Okay, so how do we find it? So we're gonna do the area of, as we know, the area of ADN plus the area of B and C, which is the same. No, sorry, which is in here. So we can write it as S1 plus S3 plus S7 plus S6 equal to S4 plus S3 plus S6. So what do we have exactly the same? We have S6 the same and S3 the same. So we can just delete it. So we have S1 plus S7 equal to S4, which is our answer. So B is our answer. Okay, do you guys understand it? So I'm gonna explain some student in Khmer. ចឹងដំបូងយើងត្រូវរក area of យើងត្រូវរកផ្ទៃកាឡារបស់ ADN ហើយនឹងបន្ទាប់មកយើងត្រូវរក area of ផ្ទៃកាឡារបស់ B and C ចឹងនៅពេលដែលយើងរកផ្ទៃកាឡាវាហើយយើងទុកម្ដុំសិនបន្ទាប់មកយើងរកផ្ទៃកាឡារបស់ MDC ចឹងមានថា area of MDC គឺវានៅកន្លែងនេះគឺយើងបាន1នៅលើ2គុណនឹងបាតរបស់វាគឺ DC ដែលយើងដឹងថា DC គឺស្មើនឹង DN បូកនឹង NC អញ្ចឹងគឺយើងដឹងហើយថានៅពេលដែលយើងបានអញ្ចឹង DN និង DC វាស្មើនឹង DN បូកនឹង NC ក៏ប៉ុន្តែយើងឃើញថា DN ហើយនឹង CN គឺវាស្មើគ្នានៅពេលដែលយើងទទួលបានបែបនេះហើយគឺយើងដឹងថា M និង N គឺយើងមានដូចដែលខ្ញុំបានបញ្យល់មិញអញ្ចឹងគឺវាចុះមកដូចគ្នាដូចយើងចុះពីលើភ្នំអញ្ចឹងគឺយើងអាច assume ថា HA plus HB ចែកនឹង2គឺវាស្មើនឹងកម្ពស់របស់ m និង n ចឹងនៅពេលអញ្ចឹងយើងអាចទទួលបាន1នៅលើ2គុណនឹង CN គុណនឹង HA plus HB នៅពេលដែលយើងបានអញ្ចឹងហើយយើងយក area of ADN plus area of B and C ចូលគ្នាគឺយើងទទួលបានលទ្ធផលពីរហ្នឹងវាដូចគ្នានៅពេលដែលយើងទទួលបានលទ្ធផលពីរហ្នឹងដូចគ្នាហើយយើងគ្រាន់តែមើលរូបយើងមាន S1 S2 គឺវានៅក្នុង ADN ហើយបន្ទាប់មក S7 បូក S6 គឺវានៅក្នុង area របស់ B and C អញ្ចឹងយើងយក B and C បូកជាមួយនឹង ADN ឬក៏ ADN គឺយើងទទួលបាន S1 បូក S2 no sorry S1 បូក S3 បូក S7 បូក S6 វាស្មើនឹង S4 ដែលជា S4 បូក S3 បូក S6 ដែលជា area របស់ DMC អញ្ចឹងនៅពេលដែលយើងសម្រួលវាគឺយើងទទួលបាន S1 បូក S7 ស្មើនឹង4យល់ទេគ្នាយើង
Yo.
Okay so បើសិនជាយល់ទាំងអស់គ្នាហើយខ្ញុំសូម go through question 13ដោយសារតែយើងរៀងយឺតដែរ Okay so can anyone volunteer to read this question? Okay never mind. Chi, can you read the question?
If today is Tuesday, what day of the week will be? 2 ใส่ก้นปีปอน days from today. A Wednesday, B Thursday, C Friday, D Saturday, E none.
Okay so អញ្ចឹងដើម្បីឲ្យអ្នកទាំងអស់គ្នាបានយល់គឺថ្ងៃហ្នឹងវាគឺជាថ្ងៃនៅក្នុងលំហាត់ហ្នឹងថ្ងៃហ្នឹងគឺជាថ្ងៃអង្គារអញ្ចឹងតើបើសិនជា2ស្វ័យកូន2020ថ្ងៃបន្ទាប់ពីថ្ងៃអង្គារហ្នឹងទៅតើវាគឺជាថ្ងៃអីខ្ញុំឲ្យអ្នកទាំងអស់គ្នាធ្វើ1នាទីបន្ទាប់មកខ្ញុំនឹងធ្វើឲ្យអ្នកទាំងអស់គ្នា so I'm gonna solve it for you after 1 minute Okay so it's already 1នាទីអញ្ចឹង we can go through it now okay so what is the value of as we know 1 week equal to 7 days right so in here we have 2 times 2 and 20 so what is the value of it so as we know you guys may not know that 2 times 2 is equal to 4 which is equal to 2 square and 2 times 2 times 2 equal to 8 which is 2 to the power of 3 so in here we have 20 so we need to divide by 3 why the purpose is we need to find the value of h so we can use modulo to solve this exercise okay so we can divide it by 3 after that we have what do we have in here so 6 so we have 2 2 7 is 21 and we have 1 is 0 and 3 which is 9 and 1 the remainder is 1 so what do we have here 2 to the power of 3 to the power of 73 times 2 to the power of 1 so in here we can do like modulo do you know it it is like the remainder things so yeah we have 2 to the power of 20 which is modulo which is divided mod or modulo which mean something that is the divide divided by 7, but I'm using it as modulo, something like that. So we can find the remainder, and the remainder is something that we should plus from today. So we can find something, the day that we want to find, the from today things like that. Okay, so we need to divide 2020 by 3 because as we can see here, 2 to the power of 3 equal to 8. So we want to find it as 8 to the power of 673 times 2. So we can have 8 times 2 times 7, which means we have a 1 here, and then it's the remainder is 1. So we can have the remainder as 1 as the remainder. So we can times 2. So our remainder is going to be what? To be 2. So the remainder of 2 times 2020, which means is 2. So yeah, today is Tuesday. So Wednesday is the next day, and Thursday is the day after the 2 day after Tuesday. So yeah, this is Tuesday, which means today. So and the remainder 2 mean that we have to plus 2 days in order to get the day from today. So our answer is gonna be Thursday. Ok, អញ្ចឹងដើម្បីធ្វើបានយើងត្រូវដឹងថាមួយអាទិត្យយើងមាន7ថ្ងៃអញ្ចឹងដើម្បីងាយស្រួលគឺយើងត្រូវយកចំនួនប៉ុណ្ណឹងទៅចែកនឹង7ក៏ប៉ុន្តែខ្ញុំធ្វើប្រើប្រាស់រូបមន្ត modulo ដើម្បីចែកនឹង7នៅពេលដែលយើងដឹងថានៅពេល8ទៅចែកនឹង7គឺយើងទទួលបានសំណល់1អញ្ចឹងនៅពេលដែលយើងបានសំណល់1ហ្នឹងគឺយើងអាចប្រើប្រាស់វាដើម្បីទៅដោះស្រាយបានអញ្ចឹងនៅពេលដែលយើងដឹងថា2ស្វ័យគុណ3ស្មើនឹង8បន្ទាប់មកយើងត្រូវយកវាទៅចែកនឹង7ដើម្បីទទួលបានសំណល់1អញ្ចឹងនៅពេលដែលយើងចែកវានឹង7ចេះយើងបានសំណល់1អញ្ចឹងកន្លែងនេះគឺជាសំណល់របស់វាអញ្ចឹងយើងយកសំណល់ហ្នឹងទៅគុណនឹង2បន្ទាប់មកគឺយើងទទួលបាន2ដែលជាសំណល់អញ្ចឹងមានន័យថាឧទាហរណ៍បើសិនជាខ្ញុំមាន7ថ្ងៃ2ថ្ងៃឥឡូវអញ្ចឹងនៅពេលដែលខ្ញុំចែកនឹងម៉ូត7មានន័យថាសំណល់វាស្មើនឹង0អញ្ចឹងមានន័យថាម្ដុំនេះវាគឺជាសំណល់ចុះបើសិនជា8ថ្ងៃវិញបើសិនជា8ថ្ងៃយើងនឹងទទួលបានសំណល់ស្មើនឹង1ម៉ូតនឹង7អញ្ចឹងមានន័យថានៅពេលដែលវាស្វ័យគុណមែនឧទាហរណ៍បើសិនជានេះស្វ័យគុណ2020ចុះអញ្ចឹងអានេះវាក៏ស្វ័យគុណ2020អញ្ចឹង1ស្វ័យគុណ2020គឺយើងនៅទទួលបាន1ដដែលអញ្ចឹង remainder វានៅសល់1ដដែលអញ្ចឹងនេះគឺជាវិធីដែលងាយស្រួលក្នុងការដោះស្រាយវាmode ឬក៏ modulo វាគឺជាផលចែកដើម្បីទទួលបានសំណល់អញ្ចឹងនៅពេលដែលយើងត្រូវការរកអាហ្នឹងដើម្បីដោះស្រាយលំហាត់ហ្នឹងគឺយើងត្រូវការប្រើប្រាស់ហ្នឹងដើម្បីធ្វើវាឬមួយក៏យើងអាចធ្វើវាបានដោយ2សេគុណ3ស្មើនឹង8ថ្ងៃអញ្ចឹងក្នុងពេល8ថ្ងៃគឺយើងអាចទទួលបាននៅ remainder មួយអញ្ចឹងមានន័យថាបន្ទាប់ពីមួយអាទិត្យដែលយើងមានរយៈពេល7ថ្ងៃគឺយើងអាចទទួលបាននៅថ្ងៃណាមួយបន្ទាប់ពីហ្នឹងក៏ប៉ុន្តែដើម្បីយើងងាយស្រួលគឺយើងប្រើប្រាស់វាដើម្បីយើងរកសំណល់មានន័យថាម៉េចបើសិនជាយើងធ្វើវាដោយភាពពិបាកឬក៏អីចឹងគឺយើងនឹងដឹងថាវាគឺអាចនិយាយថាវាគឺជាសំណល់មួយដើម្បីធ្វើឲ្យយើងងាយស្រួលរកថ្ងៃបន្ទាប់ពីថ្ងៃហ្នឹងឧទាហរណ៍បើសិនជាយើងដូចខ្ញុំឧទាហរណ៍នៅឲ្យកន្លែងនេះអញ្ចឹងនេះម៉ូត7ហ្នឹងគឺយើងធ្វើអញ្ចឹងមានន័យថានៅពេលដែល8ចែកនឹង7គឺយើងបានសំណល់1អញ្ចឹងនៅពេលដែលអាសញ្ញា3នេះគឺមានន័យថាសំណល់វាស្មើនឹងសំណល់1អញ្ចឹងយើងអាចសល់1 Okay, does anyone have any question? Okay, if there's no question, I'm gonna go through this. Oh, this is logic exercise, so I'm gonna solve the exercise for you. It might take too long to solve this exercise. Yeah, so we need to draw a box. Okay, so how many people? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that's 5 people. So E gonna stand for Ellie, we, Violet, Andre, Chris. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and Tom here. Okay, so in here we have what is Greenwich Secondary School and Westwood. So this is gonna stand for Greenwich, Westwood, Secondary 1 and Secondary 2. Oh no, sorry, my bad. Secondary 3. Okay, so yeah. So we have the clue is Tom and Chris are from different school. So let's assume that Tom is from Westwood. So Chris gonna be from green one. Okay, so we can go through another one. Ellie and Andre go to the same school. So let's say Ellie go to the same school as Andre. So let's say Ellie go to green, so Andre gonna go to the green too. So it says that 3 students go to Greenwich and other 2 from Westwood. So this dude gonna from Westwood, which is Violet. Violet and Chris are from same grade. So we can see here they both from same grade. What if Chris from grade secondary 1? If Chris from secondary 1, Violet gonna be from secondary 1 too. And what else? Andre and Tom study at different levels. So what if Tom study in secondary 3? If Tom study from secondary 3, Andre gonna study in secondary 1. Okay, and the last clue says 3 students in secondary 1 and other 2 students are from secondary 3. So Ellie gonna be from secondary 3 too. Okay, so it says that one of them is secondary 3 student from Westwood Secondary School. Who is that person? Okay, so who is that person? Let's say, so yeah, Ellie from Green. So it's not the right one because we want from Westwood, and Violet from Westwood. But what grade is she in or he in? From secondary 1, which is grade 7 something, and we need to find the secondary 3. So she or he is not the answer. So this dude from Greenwich. So this is not our answer. Chris from Green too. So he is not our answer. Tom is from Westwood, and Tom also from secondary 3. So yeah, they said that one of them. So our answer is accurate because one is from Westwood and secondary 3, and one is from West Greenwich, and one is from Westwood and secondary 3. So the answer as for one of them is from secondary 3. So our answer is accurate, which means D, the answer. Okay, guys, so do you understand this? This is a logic exercise, so we need to assume something until we get the answer. This is how we're gonna do logic. Or you can go through our group and Bong Wen Ling, who is the teacher in grade 11 and 12, he already sent the the step or the tip and tricks to solve the logic exercise. Okay, you have 1 minute to solve to ask me any question if you don't understand. Okay, so I'm gonna explain it in Khmer. ដំបូងឡើយគឺយើងទៅសេតារាងមួយគូសតារាងមួយដូចខ្ញុំបន្ទាប់មកយើងត្រូវដាក់សាលាដែលជាសាលាគឺ Greenwich stand for G ហើយ Westwood គឺ W secondary 1 is S1 secondary 3 គឺ S3 បន្ទាប់មកគឺយើងត្រូវ assume ថាអូខេដំបូង clue គេប្រាប់ថា Tom និង Chris គឺនៅសាលាខុសគ្នាTom និង Chris គឺនៅពួកគាត់នៅសាលាខុសគ្នាអញ្ចឹងយើងអាច assume ថាអូ Tom គាត់នៅសាលាណាអញ្ចឹងយើង assume យើងសន្មត់ថា Chris ហ្នឹងគាត់នៅសាលាGreenwich ចុះហើយ Tom នៅសាលា Westwood អញ្ចឹងបើសិនជាយើង assume អញ្ចឹងហើយយើងទទួលបានលទ្ធផលវាអាចថាជាសំណាងខ្ញុំដែរដែលបានដោះស្រាយលំហាត់ហ្នឹងហើយដាក់តែម្ដងគឺត្រូវអញ្ចឹងមានន័យថា Tom គឺនៅWestwood ហើយទៅ Chris គាត់នៅ Greenwich អញ្ចឹងនៅពេលដែលយើងដឹងអញ្ចឹងហើយគឺយើងត្រូវអានប្រធានទៀតគឺ clue គេឲ្យយើង hint យើងឲ្យម្ដង step Ellie និង Andre ហើយនិង Ellie នៅសាលាដូចគ្នាអញ្ចឹងយើងអាច assume ថា Ellie គាត់នៅ Greenwich and Andre ក៏គាត់នៅនឹងដែរបន្ទាប់មកប៉ុន្តែបើសិនជាអ្នកទាំងអស់គ្នា assume ថា Ellie គាត់នៅសាលា Westwood អញ្ចឹងមានន័យថា Andre នេះក៏គាត់ត្រូវទៅនៅ Westwood ដែរហើយយើងត្រូវអាន clue មួយទៀត3 students go to Greenwich Secondary School and added 2 are from Westwood អញ្ចឹងមានន័យថាបើសិនជាអ្នកទាំងអស់គ្នាមិញ assume ថាអូ Ellie និង Andre មកពី Westwood ទេអញ្ចឹងមានន័យថាយើងខុសនៅបំរាប់ដែលគេឲ្យឬក៏ hints ដែលគេឲ្យនៅជួរទី3ហើយអញ្ចឹងគេប្រាប់ឲ្យថា Greenwich មាន3សិស្ស3នាក់ហើយនិង Westwood គឺមាន2នាក់ទៀតមកពី Westwood អញ្ចឹងបើសិនជាយើង assume មិញគឺយើងទទួលបាន Westwood 3ហើយ Greenwich តែ2វិញអញ្ចឹងវាខុសពីបំរាប់គេទាំងស្រុងអញ្ចឹងវាអាចទៅរួចទេបើសិនជាអ្នកទាំងអស់គ្នា assume ថា Westwood ដែល Andre និង Ellie ហ៊ានមិញគឺយើងអាចផ្លាស់ប្ដូរចម្លើយវិញបានហ្នឹងហើយអញ្ចឹងវាអាចជាសំណាងដែរដែលខ្ញុំ assume ពីលើមកត្រូវហើយបន្ទាប់មក Violet and Chris are from the same grade អញ្ចឹងមានន័យថា Violet និង Chris នេះគឺគាត់មកពីសាលាតែមកពីថ្នាក់តែមួយមកពីថ្នាក់ប៉ុនគ្នា same grade អញ្ចឹងនៅពេលដែលគាត់មកពីថ្នាក់តែប៉ុនគ្នាខ្ញុំ assume ថាអូគាត់មកពី S1 secondary 1អញ្ចឹងមានន័យថាយើងអត់ដឹងទេថាគាត់មកពីថ្នាក់ណាក៏ប៉ុន្តែនៅពេលដែលយើង assume អញ្ចឹងទៅបន្ទាប់មកយើងបាន Andre គឺនឹង Tom គាត់មកពីថ្នាក់ខុសគ្នាអញ្ចឹងយើងបាន Andre គឺគាត់មកពី secondary 1 and Tom មកពី secondary 3អញ្ចឹងអាហ្នឹងខ្ញុំ assume ទៀតហើយខ្ញុំសន្មត់ថាអូគាត់មកពី secondary 3តែយើងអត់ប្រកាសថាចម្លើយហ្នឹងវាត្រូវទេតោះតែយើងអានចុងក្រោយនេះគឺ 3 students are study in secondary 1អញ្ចឹងនៅពេលដែលខ្ញុំ assume អញ្ចឹងទៅនេះ3នាក់ហ្នឹងគាត់មានមនុស្ស3នាក់ដែលគាត់រៀននៅ secondary 1 មែនអញ្ចឹងមានន័យថាវា accurate ហើយគេដាក់ add 2 in secondary 3អញ្ចឹងមានន័យថាមិញយើង assume Tom នៅ secondary 3អញ្ចឹងមួយទៀតគឺ Ellie ដែលនៅ secondary 3ហើយគាត់មកពី Greenwich ហើយ they said that សំណួរគេសួរថា if one of them is from secondary 3 student from Westwood អញ្ចឹងមានន័យថាកន្លែងហ្នឹងគឺវាមាន trick មួយទៀតបើសិនជាម្នាក់ក្នុងចំណោម2នាក់ហ្នឹងក្នុងចំណោម3នាក់ហ្នឹងឬក៏អញ្ចឹងអញ្ចឹងមានថាក្នុងចំណោម5នាក់ហ្នឹងគឺមានម្នាក់គឺមកពី secondary 3ថ្នាក់ទី9ហើយមកពីសាលា Westwood ហ្នឹងអញ្ចឹងនៅការ assume របស់ខ្ញុំទាំងឡាយគឺវាត្រូវទៅតាមhint ឬក៏ចម្លើយក្នុង hint ឬក៏ clue ដែលជាបំរាប់ដែលគេប្រាប់ខ្ញុំអញ្ចឹងគឺចម្លើយយើងគឺត្រឹមត្រូវវា accurate វាត្រឹមត្រូវដោយសារតែវា follow ទៅតាមចម្លើយទាំងនេះមានន័យថាបំរាប់ដែលគេឲ្យទាំងអស់អញ្ចឹងដើម្បីដោះស្រាយលំហាត់ហ្នឹងគឺយើងត្រូវ assume ថាអីមួយគឺជាអីមួយអញ្ចឹងការ assume ហ្នឹងវាត្រឹមត្រូវ Okay guys so can you continue studying with me till 6:40 or 6:45 like 10 minutes more because we are on question 14 and some of you gonna take the test and we only have 1 hour left to study so can you guys give me 10 more minutes to do it. If you guys okay with it, say yes in the chat, okay? Okay, as I can see, two students are really keen to learn with me. Yeah. Okay, so can you send me the answer in chat? Yeah, thanks. Oh yeah, did I told you guys about my background on the first week? I used to be the gold medalist in SASMO and AMO and CMOC. Okay, guys, so as I can see, you guys are keen to learn with me. So I'm gonna go through to question 15. Are we doing SASMO to qualify for CMOC? Yes, sir. After you get any medal in SASMO, AMO, SNGF, you are gonna be qualified to go to CMOC, which is gonna be in July. I don't know the date yet, but it's all gonna be on July. That month's gonna be our golden hour. So yeah. So yeah, I'm gonna read it for you guys. In mathematics, and the product of the first n positive integers is written as n factorial, which means, as I explained you earlier, n times n minus 1 times blah 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 time until 1. For example, 2 factorial is equal to 2 times 1. 7 factorial equal to 7 times 6 times 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. How many integers from 1 to 40 cannot be the number of consecutive digits zeros at the end of the n factorial for some integer? Okay, that's only 1 to 40. There's a limitation, so yeah, they give you some limitation in order to do it. Yeah. So do you want me to solve it for you, or you want to try it for 1 or 2 minutes first? Okay, so I think this exercise can be long for you guys to solve. Okay, 1 minute. I see someone say it. So yeah, I'll give you 1 minute. 6:40, I'm gonna solve it for you. Hey guys, time's up. Okay, so I see a question. What if we don't get anything in SASMO, but we get something in AMO? Are we qualified to join CMOC? Yeah, sure. CMOC and SASMO and AMO are equal. So if you get bronze, silver, or something, any medal, you can go. So if you already get the medal in AMO, you're guaranteed to go to CMOC this year. So if you want to go, good luck. Try your best. Keep working hard, okay? Yeah, so what do we have? We need to test 1 factorial. What is the 1 factorial? So it is 1. So there's no 0 in it. So in order to find the 0 digit, it will be held on July. It is in Singapore. So yeah, let's go through our question. I'm gonna tell you more detail in the end of our class if you want to know about it. So yeah, so if in order to find a 0 digit, we need to find the numbers of 5. Why? Example, if we have 5 factorial, which is equal to 120, earlier that I have already multiplied it for you, which we have 110. So what if we have 10 factorial? 10 factorial, we gonna have it as blah 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 10 times 9 times 8 times 7 times 6 times 5 times blah 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 time till 1, which means this is gonna be 5 times 2, so we can have a 0 there. So we have this 2, so we have 5 and 5. Example, if 5 times 6 is we gonna have here, so 0 and we have 2 zeros, so it's 2 0. 2 zeros. So after this, we can know that we have 5 factorial, we have this 1 0. What if 15 factorial? We can have 3 0. 3 0. Why? 3 0 is because there's a formula that you can use. 15 factorial, we can just use 15. This is the flow function, and plus, oh no, we cannot do that. So yeah, in here we have 3, so that the 0 is gonna be 3. If you want to test it, it's 5 times 3 and 10 times 2 and 5 times 2, which means 10. And the thing that is between this is 14, 13, 12, and 11 is not, there's no 5, so it cannot lead to get have more number 0. So yeah, in here we have 15 factorial, we got 3 0. So from 16 factorial to 19. No, let's say till 19, we still have 3 0. Why? It's like this. So yeah, in here we have 19 times 5, which means that 3, we have 15, so we got 4. The remainder is 4. So if you want to divide it, it's become 40 and 3.8, so it's 40. We have as 0. But in flow function, you need to know that even though you have 3.956 something like that, it's gonna be 3. So yeah, this is our formula to count the number of 5, something like that. So this is gonna be 3. Okay, so the trick is we need to find the value of 0. So from 11 to what? To 14. No, let's say from 10 factorial to, this is 1 factorial to, oh no, only 5 factorial. 10 factorial to 14 factorial, we got 2 0. But from 15 factorial to 19 factorial, we get 3 zeros. So from 20 factorial to 24 factorial, we gonna have 4 0. Why? you can do this. 24 factorial over 5, it means 24 over 5 is equal to what? It's 4, which means it's 4. What is 20? 20 divided by 5, it's also 4. Why? Because 24 divided by 5 is equal to 4 and 20, and then 4 can point 0 and 8. So we have 4.8 here. So 4.8, which means we're gonna have it as 4. Just exactly the same. So I'm gonna go fast now. 25 factorial to something. We're gonna have 29 until 29. So yeah, in here we're gonna have 25 and 29. It's exactly the same, just like 24 and 20. It's gonna have the same 5. So when we divide it by 29 divided by 5, and then we're gonna have it as what? We're gonna have it as 5. But in here we must know that 29 is bigger than 25. So to count all 0, you need to plus it. You need to plus it with 29 over 25 with the floor function too. So we have 5 plus 1, which means 6. Okay, so it's 6 0, right? Where's the 5 0? The 5 0, where's it? So yeah, this is one of our answer. We don't have 5 0, so it is one of our answer, right? So we can count it as 1, keep it here, and then we need to find, cannot be the number of consecutive digit. So we have 30 factorial to 34 factorial. How many does it have? So 30 factorial divided by 5 and plus 30 over 25, which means equal to 6 plus 1, which means 7. 7 0. Do you guys get it? If yes, send me the answer. Send me yes. Yeah, I see. Does anyone don't understand it? You can unmute. Feel free to unmute. Can you explain it once more? Didn't listen because I went to the bathroom. Oh, you went to the bathroom again? Okay, so just use this formula. You're gonna find the number of 5, and then the number of 5 is gonna make the number of 0, because number of 5 equal to number of 0. Because as we know, 5 times even number like 2, we're gonna have 1 0 right here. So in factorial, we have a lot of even number. So we just need to find the value of 5 right here. Okay, so in order to find the value of 5, we need to use the flow function, the n over 5 and plus n over 25, n to the 5 times 3 to the power of 3, something like that. This is the formula. If you got like 24 factorial something, you can just divide it and then use the formula that I gave you. And basically in SASMO, it's always exists like that. Okay, so we have 35 until 39, which mean 8 0. 40 till 44, which is 9 0. 35 till 49, which is 10 0. Okay, you want to make sure with it? Yeah, sure. So it's 5 like this, plus 45 divided 25, which means it's gonna be 9 plus 1. It's 10 0, just the same as us. So it's 50 factorial. We're gonna have it till this. So we're gonna have like what? Oh, should I use this? Oh, let's make sure with it. 20 over 5 plus 50 over 25. Okay, yeah, in here we can find a pattern. in here we have what is it? 10 plus what? Plus 2 is equal to 12. So it is 12, 0. We lost it, the 11. So the number 11 is our answer, one of our answer. We continue doing it. So as we can see the pattern, it's in here and in here. We have 6 and then we got 5. It means that 6 minus 1. And then this as 12 minus 1. So we're gonna have 37. Because we already find the pattern, right? I hope you understand it. We have the pattern like 25 plus 25, which means we get the 50 factorial, something like that. Do you know what is make it different? It's because of this thing. That's why it makes the between the 25 and 25 it gains more, because as you can see when 50 divided by 25, we're gonna have this as 2. So it's gonna gain like gonna skip a number. So it's until 79. It's gonna be what? Let's say 79 factorial. Let's say 75 factorial divided by 5 plus 75 over 25. Okay, in here we have this as 3, and then this is as 1, 5, and then it's 18. So it's 18. Okay, so want to make sure it, we need to divide the 74 factorial, which is plus 74 over 25, which means we have as 1, 4 plus 2, so it's 16. So what is this is as 16, and then the lost digit is 17, which mean we can do the 18 minus 1. Okay, so after that we have what? We have 100 until 104. 104. So what do we have here? We're gonna have something surprise you again. So it's divided by 5 plus 100 over 25, which mean 20 plus 4. See, there's something different again. Yeah, in here we have 24. So 24 minus 1, which mean 23. So 23 is gonna be the things that we lost. So it's gonna be one of our answer again. So this is one of our answer, one of our answer in here, in here, in here, and in here. Okay, guys, so we need to plus 125 again. So there's no more space. I'm gonna delete some. Yeah, so we have 125 until 129, which mean okay, so there's a trick again. In here we have 125 over 5 flow function plus 125 over 25 flow function plus 125 over 125. Because this is the formula that we should have used.
That's only fancy.
So yeah, it is the formula that we should have used in here. So yeah, we have what do we have? So 125 if divided by 5, it's gonna be 25 plus this is gonna be 5, because this is 5 over to the power 3, and this is 5 to the power 3, and divided by 5, so it's gonna be 5 to the power of 2, right? So the 5 to the power of 2 is equal to 25. This thing we're gonna have 5, and this thing we're gonna have 1, so it's gonna be 20. No, sorry, 31. Okay, so you see this is 1, 2, 3, like 3 fraction. So we gonna have something surprise you again in this trick. 31. So what if we test 124? Like 100 and yeah, let's say we test 124. 124 factorial, it's gonna have, what do we have? 24 divided by 5. plus 124 divided by 25, and it cannot be 124 divided by 125 because it's gonna be 0 in there. So we're gonna have it as 24 plus 4. Why? Because 124 divided by 25, we only have 4 because 100, so it cannot reach 125. Yeah, so we have 28. Okay, in here we have 28. So what is the thing that we lost again? We have 29 and 30, which mean 29 zeros and 30 zeros. So we have lost that too. And then we're gonna have 150 till 159, which mean we can do the same thing. 150 over 5 plus 150 over 25 plus 150 over 125. As we get here is 1, and this thing we get what did we get earlier? 4, 5, and 6. And this thing we're gonna have 3 zeros, so it's 37. Oh, so we need to test 149, which mean we have it as 149 over 5 flow function plus 149 over 25 plus 149 over 125. We have it as what? 140. So this is 30. So this is 29 plus this is gonna be 5, and this is gonna be 1. So 6, 135. So 35. This is 37. So what do we lost? It's gonna be what? Can anyone here unmute and say it? Panya, can you say it? What do we lost?
I don't know. My head hurts.
Huh? What? I cannot hear you.
Bang.
Okay, so it's 36. Yeah. So can we find next? Okay, so if we want to find next, it's gonna be 175 till 179. Okay, what if we do the 175 over 5 plus 175 over 25, something like that? Plus 175 over 125. Okay, in here we're gonna have what? This is 30, so this is gonna be 35, and this is gonna be what? 7. This is gonna be 1 again, so it's 43. It's over 40, which is bigger than 40. So the answer of our answer is gonna be 36, 30, 29, 17, 11, and 5. Okay, I'm gonna write another one for you with the refined version. Okay, that's okay. Just understand it. Okay, so it's 5, 11, 17, 23, 29, 30, and 36. Oh, 36. Yeah, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So yeah, finally we get the answer. Our answer is C. Okay, guys, do you understand? Does anyone want me to explain in Khmer? Or you guys understand it? If you want me to explain in Khmer, raise your hand. Bên này cái cho nhung về chỉ Khmer ai thơ sinh nhà ấy môi của bạn này. Không xuống lượt đây bạch đôn ấy chăng. Okay, soដូចអត់មានអាគេលើកទេ Is this the last question? No, we have like 10 more questions to do and it's all open-ended. It's gonna be so hard. That's why I asked you guys. Oh, do you want to do it more or wanna do it as the last one? If you prefer, I can teach you. Oh, not really. Oh yeah, I can. Oh, in Khmer, okay. So, do you want me to teach you more or you wanna stop now? It's all okay for me because I wanna finish everything on last. This is next week is gonna be our last one. So yeah, I wanna rush, but I cannot because I need to detail for you guys. And I want you guys to pass SASMO as gold medalist. Okay. So there's someone want me to explain in Khmer. So yeah, that's everyone okay if I continue doing this? Or you want to have some dinner with your family, something? Ah, you're so good. Yeah, sure. If you get 55 out of 85, you guarantee gold, I think. But I'm not sure this year. What if we don't know that. We don't know that. What if other kids gonna be so good too? Because doing SASMO, AMO something we need to compete with others. So there's only 20% who are gonna be top. Actually, it's depend on people joining SASMO. Okay, អញ្ចឹងខ្ញុំសូម បរៀនជាខ្មែរសិនចាំតិចទៀតយើងនិយាយគ្នានឹងអឺអញ្ចឹងដំបូងយើងត្រូវប្រើ 5 factorial ដើម្បីទទួលបានលេខ1បន្ទាប់មកយើងប្រើ10 factorial ដល់14 factorial យើងទទួលបានលេខ02 15 factorial ដល់19 factorial យើងបានលេខ03 20 factorial ដល់24 factorial បានលេខ04 25 factorial ដល់29 factorial បាន01អញ្ចឹងយើងបាត់លេខប៉ុន្មាន Yeah, surely I'm gonna do it more. But does anyone wanna do it more or you wanna stop and have dinner with your family? Because I don't want you guys to study and forgot dinner, something like that. Okay. អញ្ចឹងនៅពេលបន្ទាប់មកយើងបាន30 factorial ដល់34 factorial យើងបាន07អញ្ចឹងនៅពេលដែលយើងបាន6 0លេខ6 0 ចំនួន6មិញគឺយើងបាត់នៅចំនួន0 5ចំនួនលេខ0ចំនួន5អញ្ចឹងមានន័យថាលេខ0ចំនួន5គឺវាអត់អាចជាcannot be the number of consecutive អញ្ចឹងមានថាលេខ5ហ្នឹងឯងគឺជាចម្លើយដែលយើងចង់បានក្នុងចំណោមចម្លើយផ្សេងទៀតអញ្ចឹងបន្ទាប់មកយើងធ្វើតរហូតយើងទទួលបាន10 factorial លេខ0ចំនួន10អញ្ចឹងនៅពេលដែលយើងលេខ0ចំនួន10យើងរកទៀត50ទៅដល់54យើងមានចំនួនលេខ0 12ចំនួនលេខ0 12អញ្ចឹងយើងបាត់លេខ0ចំនួនលេខ0 11អញ្ចឹងចំនួនលេខ0 11ហ្នឹងឯងគឺជាចម្លើយមួយទៀតរបស់យើងអញ្ចឹងយើងរកវាបាន2ហើយបន្ទាប់មកយើងនឹងឃើញ pattern វាថាវាកម្លាតគ្នា25វានឹងបង្កើតឲ្យមានជាចម្លើយមួយសម្រាប់យើង Yeah, I think that's okay if someone wanna stay. Yeah, so ហ្នឹងហើយអញ្ចឹងយើងបញ្យល់តសិនអញ្ចឹងហើយ question 16នឹងជាចម្លើយចុងក្រោយរបស់យើងអញ្ចឹងខ្ញុំគិតថាក្នុង1ម៉ោងក្រោយខ្ញុំអាចនឹងថែមទៀតទៅអញ្ចឹងគ្នាយើងនឹងអាចបញ្ចប់ហើយ so you gonna finish everything next week. Okay អញ្ចឹងបន្ទាប់មកយើងទទួលបាន75 factorial ដោយសារយើងឃើញ pattern ហើយអញ្ចឹងយើងបាន75 factorial ហើយនឹង79 factorial យើងបានលេខ17បាត់លេខ17 factorial លេខចំនួនលេខ0ចំនួន17លេខ0មានន័យថាលេខ7ចំនួន17ដងលេខ0ចំនួន17ដងហ្នឹងគឺវាត្រូវបានបាត់យើងអាចរកវាបានតែវាអត់អាចជា consecutive digit មានន័យថាវាអាចជាចំនួនមួយដែលយើងរកបានចេញពី factorial ហ្នឹងហើយបន្ទាប់មកយើងប្រើមកបូកថែម25ទៀតគឺយើងបាន100និង104អញ្ចឹងវាបាន24អញ្ចឹងមានន័យថាវាបាត់លេខប៉ុន្មានអញ្ចឹង pattern របស់យើងគឺ យើងត្រូវយកទៅដកនឹង1អញ្ចឹងគឺយើងបាត់លេខ23មួយទៀតតបមកយើងបានបូកថែម25ទៀតអញ្ចឹងយើងបានលេខ31ក៏ប៉ុន្តែនៅពេលដែលយើងធ្វើតេស្តទៅ124 factorial វាមានលេខ0តែចំនួន28អញ្ចឹងយើងបាត់ចំនួន2លេខគឺលេខ29និងលេខ30បន្ទាប់មកយើងបូកថែម25ទៀតយើងទទួលបាននៅលេខ150ដកជាមួយនឹង159អញ្ចឹងផងចំណុចហ្នឹងយើងតេស្តនៅលេខ139គឺយើងបានចំនួន35លេខ0អញ្ចឹងយើងបានលេខ37យកមកអញ្ចឹងយើងបាត់លេខចំនួនលេខ36មួយទៀតបន្ទាប់មកហឹមហ្នឹងវាគឺជាចម្លើយយើងហើយក៏ប៉ុន្តែពេលហ្នឹងខ្ញុំអត់ទាន់ដឹងថាវាជាចម្លើយទេខ្ញុំបានតេស្តទៅលេខបូកថែម25ទៀតទៅលើលេខ175ហើយនឹង175អញ្ចឹងវាស្មើយើងចែកវាទៅគឺប្រើតាមរូបមន្តរបស់ខ្ញុំឲ្យហ្នឹងគឺយើងទទួលបាន35បូក7បូក1អញ្ចឹងវា43ដែលវាធំជាង40ដោយសារចម្លើយយើងគឺឲ្យ limitation របស់យើងគឺមានកំណត់ចំនួនពី1ដល់40អញ្ចឹងវាធំជាង40គឺយើងអត់យកទេ Okay you can lower your hand I already explained Okay អញ្ចឹងគួរតែយល់ទាំងអស់គ្នាហើយត្រូវអត់អាច unmute និយាយបានដោយសារតែឥឡូវយើងនៅគ្នាតិចដែរ Don't be shy just feel comfortable with me and chill Okay so we're gonna go through question 16 this is our last one because I don't want you to study and forget about your dinner Okay so the following bar chart shows the responses made by all secondary 2 students from integrity secondary school in a multiple choice question. All the horizontal lines are equally spaced. The correct answer scored 2 points and 0 points for no response and -1 for wrong answer. So yeah, it's the same as SASMO. If you answer the MCQ wrongly, oh, okay, so yeah, you can leave. Okay, that's okay. If you guys cannot stay, you can leave now and we're gonna post our YouTube video about our training class on YouTube. So yeah, you can just go watch there. It's the same as SASMO. SASMO, if you do the MCQ one wrong, it's gonna deduct your answer. The Brownie Egg Factory, I'm gonna send it into the group. Yeah, so what is the total score of all students the total score of student is -240. If the correct answer is B, how many students solved the question correctly? Sorry. I'm gonna share it into the group, don't worry. But don't forget to take a look at all my answer. I have sent all the file in the group. Did you guys check it? Okay, so this exercise, I'm gonna solve it for you because it seemed complicated. This question is gonna be worth 4 points, so be careful with this question because maybe it's gonna plus you more, give you more mark in it. So yeah, I'm gonna let this thing gonna be x. So 1 is gonna be a unit of it. It's gonna be a piece. A piece of student. So yeah, in here we gonna have a piece of student. So we can count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. No, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 10, 12, 14, 15, 17, 19, 20, 23, 25, 27. So it's 27x. And the correct answer is B, which B equal to 7x and all equal to 27x. Okay, so correct. So yeah, all answer is gonna be like that. So the incorrect answer is equal to 27 minus 7x, which means 20x. So one incorrect. So yeah, it's the same. One incorrect equal to minus 1. One incorrect. Correct. 1 mark deducted, minus 1 mark. And for one correct, equal to 2 mark. Yeah, so I think that we need to plus this thing with this thing. So it's 20x plus 7x, which means minus, no, not minus. Yeah, so this is the total number. All students respond. Students respond. Yeah, so all students respond. But as we know, one answer correct, one answer correct, incorrectly, we're gonna deduct 1 mark. So it's gonna be minus 20x. And one answer correct is gonna be 2 marks plus 2 hour scores. So it's gonna be what? 7x times 7 times 2x. So it's gonna be 14x. So minus 20x plus 14x equal to minus, oh sorry, I think the problem told us yeah, 200 minus 240. So it's gonna be minus 6x equal to minus 240. So we can get x equal to 406 minus and minus. We can have 40. So this thing is 7 units, 7x, which means 7 times 40, it's 280. So our answer equal to 280. Okay, does anyone have any question? Real quick. Okay, so if you guys don't have any question or you guys have any question, my Telegram is in the group. Feel free to text me anytime. អញ្ចឹងបើសិនជាអ្នកទាំងអស់គ្នាយល់អីអាចសួរខ្ញុំបាន chat មកខ្ញុំនៅក្នុង Telegram បានគ្រប់ពេលវេលា When I'm free when I'm available I'm gonna reply to your chat ពេលណាដែលខ្ញុំទៅខ្ញុំនឹង reply នឹងខំប្រឹងប្រែងដោះស្រាយលំហាត់ឲ្យ អូខេអញ្ចឹងកុំមានអារម្មណ៍ថាខុសឬក៏អៀនអីក្នុងការសួរខ្ញុំអាចសួរបានគ្រប់ពេលវេលាអូខេ Okay, so if you guys don't have any question, our class is gonna be end now. Good luck everyone if you guys take any SASMO next week or during this week. So unfortunately we cannot finish everything this week. So yeah, good luck you guys. Bye. Bye bye. See you next week. Bye everyone. Good night. Enjoy your weekend.